Siopa Gailf.
An saharn a bhí ann, bhí daddy ag siopadóireacht. Bhí áthas an downer, mar bhí sé sa Siopa Gailf. Is bira leis Gailf. Cheann sé gansaí, bríste, líróidí Gailf agus mála Gailf. Chuaigh sé bhaile go sonna sásta.
Ceistena, ceiste hain. Cén lá a bhí ann? Ceiste dó. Cé a bhí ag siopadóireacht? Ceiste trí. An raibh áthas iadí. Cén fá? Ceiste cathair, cad a cheannaigh sé?
Siopa Gailf means the golf shop. An saharna bhí ann. It was Saturday. Bhí daddy ag siopadóireacht. Daddy was shopping. Bhí áthas an down air. The happiness of the world was on him. Mar because bhí sé sa Siopa Gailf, because he was in the golf store. Is bra leis golf. He loves golf. Ceannaigh sé. He bought a gansaí, bríste, líthróidí. He bought a jumper, trousers, balls, golf balls, and a mála golf and a golf bag. Hui sé. He went, a walla, he went home, go sunna sásta, very satisfied.